They say everything is bigger in Texas, and that might just include your to-do list for starting your business. Now that you're on your way to making your business official, there are a few things you should know about forming an LLC in Texas. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend you search your Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use by an existing business within the state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. In Texas, names can be reserved for up to 120 days by paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is a person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one who is available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of Texas. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Texas Secretary of State. This information is commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization, but in Texas, it's called a Certificate of Formation. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address, and can be filed online or by mail. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. The fourth step is to draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, Texas does not require you to file or draw up an operating agreement. With that said, these agreements can be helpful if disputes or litigations arise. Next, you'll need to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or liquor license, that your business may need. You should also note that Texas LLCs are required to file a franchise tax public information report with the Texas Comptroller's Office every year. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.